Do you know that the name Asante or Ashanti is the only kingdom or state and the most popular name used by many Africans in the diaspora and Europeans, including Jamaicans? Do you know that the names Asante and Ashanti are unique because they are associated with one of the most influential kingdoms in Africa, the Asante Kingdom? This kingdom is not only renowned for its rich history and culture, but also for its powerful symbolism and unity. This distinctiveness is why the name is popular among Africans in the diaspora and is used across continents, including Europe and Africa, symbolizing the enduring influence and prestige of the Asante Kingdom. The name Asante is of Akan origin from Ghana, where it signifies because of war in the Twi language, and is also associated with the Asante or Ashanti ethnic group. Due to the transatlantic slave trade, many Africans, including those from the Akan ethnic group, were forcibly taken to the Caribbean, including Jamaica. As a result, many Jamaicans have West African ancestry and cultural influences, including names. Therefore, it is not uncommon to find individuals in Jamaica with names that have Akan origins, such as Asante. This name is often given to children to honor their African heritage and to keep cultural connections alive across generations. Additionally, some Jamaicans have adopted African names as part of a broader movement to reclaim and celebrate their African roots and identity. The name Asante or Ashanti carries a profound significance, symbolizing a link to a powerful and culturally rich heritage. For Africans in the diaspora, these names serve as a bridge to their ancestral past, filled with pride, unity, and strength. The widespread use of these names across continents underscores the global influence and timeless relevance of the Asante Kingdom. It reminds us of the enduring power of cultural identity and the deep roots that connect us to our history. Prominent figures named Asante or Ashanti. Ashanti Shakoya Douglas is an American singer, songwriter, record producer, and actress, widely recognized under the mononym Ashanti. She rose to fame in the early 2000s with her debut album, which topped the US Billboard 200 and won her a Grammy Award. Her name reflects her family's appreciation of their African heritage and the strength and resilience of the Asante legacy. M.K. Asante is an American author, filmmaker, and professor, known for his best-selling memoir, Buck, and the 2024 memoir, Nephew. His works often explore themes of African American history and culture, reflecting his commitment to his roots and the Asante values of resilience and intellectual prowess. Ama Asante is a British filmmaker and former actress with Ghanaian roots. She has directed several critically acclaimed films and serves as Chancellor at Norwich University of the Arts. Her films often explore complex themes of race, identity, and social dynamics, which reflect her deep connection to her Asante heritage. Ama Asentewa Asante is a Dutch politician who served on the Municipal Council of Amsterdam and was a member of the Dutch House of Representatives. Her career is marked by her advocacy for social justice and equality, embodying the Asante values of leadership and community service. Matilda Asante Asiedu, a prominent figure in Ghana's banking sector and a vocal advocate for women's empowerment in business. As vice president at one of Ghana's leading banks, her leadership and dedication reflect the Asante values of diligence and community upliftment. Asante Kotoko SC. While not an individual, Asante Kotoko Sporting Club deserves mention as a football club based in Kumasi, the heart of the Asante region. The club is one of the most successful and popular football teams in Ghana, named directly after the Asante Kingdom, reflecting its deep roots in Asante culture and pride. Kwaku Baprui Asante, born on March 26, 1924, and passing on January 22, 2018, was a distinguished Ghanaian diplomat, government official, and writer. He initially served as the principal secretary at the African Affairs Secretariat from 1960 to 1966. Following this, Asante held numerous positions within the Foreign Service, eventually being appointed as a PNDC secretary. He notably served as Ghana's High Commissioner to the United Kingdom from 1991 to 1993. The name Asante or Ashanti originates from the Asante Ashanti Kingdom, a prominent empire in West Africa, specifically in what is now modern-day Ghana. The kingdom was founded in the late 17th century and grew to become one of the most powerful states in Africa due to its sophisticated governance, wealth, and military strength. The term Asante literally means because of war, derived from the Twi language phrase Asante. According to folklore, the name came about during the initial formation of the Asante Confederacy, when the various Akan clans united to resist external domination. The name symbolized their unity and determination in warfare, marking the beginning of the Asante Kingdom under the leadership of their first king, Osei Tutu, and his legendary priest advisor, Okomfo Anorchi. Okomfo Anorchi is said to have conjured the golden stool from the heavens, which landed on the lap of Osei Tutu, signifying his divine right to rule and symbolizing the soul of the Asante nation. This sacred stool remains a potent symbol of the Asante people's identity and unity. Thus, the name Asante reflects the spirit of resistance and unity that characterized the kingdom's formation and growth. It has since become a proud identifier for the people of this ethnic group and a popular name given to honor the heritage and values of the Asante Kingdom. The Asante or Ashanti name holds a particularly resonant place among African names used across the globe, symbolizing not just an individual identity, but a rich, collective heritage that speaks to unity and power. This unique standing stems from a combination of historical significance, cultural impact, and the strategic interactions of the Asante Kingdom with other nations. Here's a deeper look at why the Asante or Ashanti name is so widely embraced, especially across Africa and Europe. 1. Cultural heritage and identity. For many Africans in the diaspora, choosing a name from the Asante Kingdom is a way to maintain a connection to their cultural heritage. The dislocation caused by historical events like the transatlantic slave trade left many descendants seeking ways to reconnect with their roots. Naming children after the Asante or Ashanti is a powerful act of cultural preservation and identity reclamation. 2. Symbol of unity and power. The Asante Kingdom, historically, was a major empire in West Africa, known for its wealth, diplomatic influence, and military prowess. By naming their children after such a powerful entity, parents impart a sense of pride, strength, and unity. It's a way of instilling an inheritance of resilience and dignity in their children. 3. Values and virtues. Asante names often embody specific values and virtues. They are given based on attributes associated with the days of the week, according to the Akan calendar, each carrying a deep symbolic meaning. Parents choose these names hoping their children will embody the positive attributes these names signify. The uniqueness of the Asante Kingdom. The Asante Kingdom is unique among African empires for its sophisticated governance system, rich cultural traditions, and its role in regional and international trade during its height in the 18th and 19th centuries. The kingdom's ability to resist external pressures and maintain a significant degree of autonomy is a source of pride. Its capital, Kumasi, known as the Garden City, remains a cultural hub in Ghana today, preserving the legacy of the Asante monarchy. Is your name Asante? Do you know anyone in the diasporas in Jamaica or any prominent person in Ghana or elsewhere named Asante or Ashanti? If so, we would love to hear about their names and where they are from. These names, rich in cultural significance, have traveled far beyond the borders of Ghana, carried by the African diaspora to various parts of the world. They symbolize a connection to heritage and history that transcends continents. And don't forget to let us know where you are tuning in from. If you know someone named Asante or Ashanti, simply reply with yes. Your contributions help us honor and preserve the rich tapestry of our shared heritage. Please remember to subscribe to Black Stories Untold, share this video with your friends and family, hit the like button if you enjoy our content, and comment below with your stories and locations. Your interaction helps us bring more engaging and enriching content to our community. We look forward to hearing from all of you.